We are going to be cleaning the air filter of a Royal Enfield, this area. I'm not going to replace this, I'm going to clean it out. We will be needing a pliers or a wrench, your bike keys, clean tissue paper or a clean cloth or a clean newspaper. Along with that, we are also be needing a vacuum cleaner. Now, if you don't have a vacuum cleaner, I'm going to show you how you can clean the air filter without a vacuum cleaner also. The tips will be at the end of the video. Be sure to check them out also. Take your keys and open the right side of the box. After that, you're going to need a pliers to unscrew this nut. After unscrewing the nut, take out the upper plate and keep it safe along with the nut also, and remove the air filter like this. Now we have to do a simple thing. Take tissue paper or clean cloth or a newspaper, make it into a blob and just fix it here. That's the air intake valve of a bike. We don't want any dust to come inside this area. After covering the intake valve, I'm going to use a next tissue paper, also clean one, and remove the dust from inside the box. When you're doing this, do not use water. I used to use water and see what has happened. Rust form and the paint has started to be erode along all these regions. As you can see, I have cleaned the whole area on the insides of the right cover. The whole area is nice, simply clean. If there's any grime or oily residue that's been left, you can use a simple petrol or kerosene dipped cloth or tissue paper to remove that. We are going to close the right side cover, and under no condition you should start the bike. Now take the air filter and put it on a hard surface, and with your hand gently pick it up and put it down. We like smashing this. Now this is being done so that if there's any dust particles that are stuck on this area, they might loosen up. As you can see, those tiny minuscule things, those are the dust particles. Now we are going to be using the vacuum cleaner. If you don't have a vacuum cleaner, I'm going to tell you a way you can clean the air filter without a vacuum cleaner. What we're going to need is the blowing part of the vacuum cleaner. If you have a different model, just look it up on the internet, or you might know how to just blow the air outside the vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to open this one, plug in the vacuum cleaner. After plugging the vacuum cleaner, what we're going to do is take the vacuum cleaner, the blower part, and put it here on the inside of our air filter. Not on the outside, don't do that, on the inside. And gently move the cleaner with your hand while blowing it. After cleaning the air filter, store your vacuum away. We won't be needing it again. I'm just gently going to paint these with a matte black spray paint. I don't want the rust to erode more of the paint. So the paint has dried. What we're going to do is remove the tissue and just clean the plate also, and clean this one. The plate is cleaned, the whole area is cleaned. I've painted some of it. Now just place your air filter like this. Air filter is cleaned and securely placed in the box again. If you wanted to replace the filter, just remove this part, take out the filter out, put on the new filter, and just place the screw again, and you'd have use the new air filter. Now for the tips. What I do is at every 500 kilometers, I clean the air filter, just take it out and clean it, and when on the 4000 mark, I'll replace the air filter entirely. What you can do is, if you don't want to clean the air filter, just take it out on 3000 kilometer mark and change it. A really clogged or used air filter is bad for your engine. Your engine is not taking enough air, leading to really bad performance. Do not at any time cover the right side compartment of your bike. What you can do is add a toolkit here. Till here is safe. Above this, you can see there's a two air intake valves from which the air comes into this compartment. This one and this one, they are both intake valves. Do not cover these up. If you cover this up, it will be really hard for your bike to take in fresh air and use it for your combustion. This pipe should always be secured to the valve here. If at any point of time there are cracks appearing on the pipe here, just cut the pipe from the end and replace the valve again. What this pipe does is give air, see, into the small valve, and that air is used for combustion. If at any point of time you feel the air filter is covered with water or engine oil, just replace the entire air filter. That would be the best option for your bike rather than soaking it in kerosene or something else. Just replace the air filter. Now, if you can't get your hands on a vacuum cleaner or a blower, a pressure blower to be exact, what you can do is clean out the whole area like this and take your bike to your water service station where you have your bike cleaned. Open this valve and tell the man to blow some air in this in the intake valve. He'll know how to do it. Just open this yourself, take the plate out, hand it to him. His hand should be dried, and tell him to put air pressure inside the air filter. That's the best option if you don't have a vacuum cleaner or an air blower. Now you know how to clean out your air filter. Just close the side cover and you're ready to ride. So ride safe.